everybody! Welcome to Joyce Adventure! Enjoy!
So okay, we're here na sa Romantic Baboy. Ito naman, isa kami sa mga nauna sa loob. So, lahat kami dito mga 5 p.m. Yung starting ng kanilang dinner. And, as usual, yung maganda yung ambience, maganda yung place. Actually, dati itong Yakimix eh. So, due to pandemic, closure, then itong Romantic Baboy. Okay, that's it na.
So, mechanics.
The last ko pala for the...
So, dito ka gaya. Ay, mali.
Okay, ikot-ikot muna, pampagutom. So ito yung pinakadulo, then meron pang place doon para sa mga VIPs or something na gusto ng room. Here we go. Yan. Okay, dito na yung Japanese section. Yan, mga maki. And then, wala pa ata silang sushi here. Siguro very west. Yeah, different variety. And this tofu. Oh, it's tofu, and then I think it's seafood roll, seafood something. Oh, I don't know what kind of pasta. No, and then bunch of ingredients, and then this one is fried, and then the kimchi soup. Oh, that's spicy. And this section also for the noodles section. And wow, my favorite, fried chicken. It's a honey mustard pepper chicken. The beef and the lechon. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is something I wanted to eat here. And then we go further, and then the other side is the cold section, the bibimbap. Make your own bibimbap. You know, I'm not fan of bibimbap, but this one is cool. Good food. And we go here. This one is their pops, noodles. So you can select different kinds of ingredients, then put it in a bowl, then make it noodles soup. Oh, there you go, the platter, the seasoning, chicken sisig. And the tofu sisig, and of course the lechon sisig. Oh man, I'm drooling. Oh, what is that? Baby pork. Oh, I'm going too fast. The garlic fish. Garlic fish. Okay, so just eat a fish and a garlic, just like that. Oh, I know that. I know that dish. The braised pork, of course. Buttered chicken. Good for pick or pulutan. And this one is a sweet and sour pork. Alright. And the baby pork ribs. Oh, I like that. A bit spicy. And then here we go for the crispy kare-kare. Oh, I haven't tried that one. I must. And then the pan-fried fillet with mango salsa. Looks amazing. See the sour fish fillet? Okay. It's yummy. Oh my god. The papulutan! The Pinoy pulutan! The caldereta! Oh, and here we go. These are all the sauces. Okay. A variety of sauces. The vinegar, the fish sauce, the spring roll, spring onion, salt, or something, etc. Salt, satay. You can do whatever you want. Make sauces. And chicharron, of course. And then this one is nachos. Who loves nachos? I'm not a fan of nachos, but sometimes. And then what's in this fridge? Oh, dessert. Dessert. Okay. I'll try that later. And then the halo-halo. Okay. Yeah, Filipino dessert, mixed fruit, and then shaved ice topped with purple yam, and then ice cream, and also milk. That's it. And these also the sauces from mild, spicy, sweet. You can choose anything you like. And there you go. We have the shabu-shabu section where you can go for a soup. Yeah, shabu-shabu is a Japanese dish where you can put some sliced pork, vegetable, and then boil it, and then put some sauces. They also have chilies, lettuce, and then below is the fruits, the melon, the watermelon, and the pineapple. Okay, here we go to the beverage section. And then there's the soju. This is soju is a light, I don't know, light beer, something, light gin. I don't like that one. I want hard. I'm a hard drinker. And there's also their meat section where you can grill. Yeah, they have the different variety, the sausages, the liempo, the bacon, pork liempo, then the hot dogs, etc. And there's also have their coffees also. Yeah, coffee. There you go. Self-serving. The sodas. And also, oh man, the drop beer. Where you can drop all the way. Okay? So, let's go. I gotta call my wife. Wife, here!
Hello guys! Welcome to my vlog. So, nandito kami ngayon sa romantic Korean Grill. Yan. So, first time namin dito. Dati itong Yaki Mix BGC, which is Yaki Mix Prime. Okay, so let's go! Come on! 6 p.m. na, so we can start to eat.
Tara. Ito yung mga pagkain. Okay, let's go. Kasi, kuha na. Hello, sir.
Konti lang. Isa lang sa akin. Sakit na isa.
Kung ano naman ano yan?
Honey curd roast pork din ba?
Saka na.
Ay, bakit basa? Tumutulog. Basa pa pa ng stick.
Kuha naman na rin ako. Kuha naman ako ng tigil-tigil.
Okay po yun. Sige, isang
Lechon ba ito?
Beef short plate. Honey curd roast pork siya.
Yes,
Pwede tigil-tigil isa.
Ano, sa manok po, tatlong part po. Sa manok po.
wing sa akin, wing.
Sa inyo po?
Legs. Thank you. Uy, cute. Saan tayo lalagay? Boss? Paano ba na? Kukuha ako. Saan ba po?
Sige, sir.
Oh, yan. Diyan na lang. Ano ba ito? Ito na lang. Ano ba yun? Mas masarap ito. Kalaan. Parang tips yan.
Oo, sir. Dati malinamnam to eh.
O siya tayo natin.
Kung wala sir, kahit isang kutsara.
Sige. O, ito na.
Okay, time to get some meat. So, kuha tayo ng bacon. Kasi ang kinuha naming type, dalawa yan eh. Pag pumunta ka na romantic Korean buffet, you can either choose the grilled or just the shabu-shabu. If shabu-shabu, bibigyan nila kayo ng special sauce, special soup para gawin yung shabu-shabu. Then kukuha kayo ng mga just like what we saw before, the vegetable section, and then this one. And the other one is the grilling. You can choose grill to have to grill some, but you cannot able to get the shabu-shabu soup. Otherwise, you have to avail those two packages. Okay, so we're on the grill type, so then let's go grilling. Okay, they have here a variety of, they also have fish here, the meat, the gizzard, the liver, okay, the sausages, hot dogs. Okay, I think that's enough, so let's grill. Okay, let's make a trip again. What is this? Soup. Oh, there you go. Oh, come on, there you go. The romantic lechon. Let's see how romantic this pig was. Gotcha. Ooh, yeah. Just be careful, ha? Sa mga may, high blood dyan. Sa may mga gout arthritis. Sorry. What is that? Gimbal? Oh yeah, the dim sum. Oh yeah, asado. Oh, I like this one. Okay, let's see. Shomai, Japanese shomai. What's it called? Gyoza? Shomai again. Japanese shomai. Japanese shomai. Oh, there you go. The pancit. Oh, I love that crystal glass noodles. What is this? Fried fish steak. And then they have here fried I don't know what. Okay, the other dishes. There's no name. The rice also, the bago. I think this is the bagoong rice. This one is good. Yeah, I like bagoong rice. Okay, let's get some. Just a little. I don't want to make full first because there's so plenty of food here.
Dito. Ice cream muna tayo.
Nahirapan din sila. Halo-halo, favorite mo.
Kayo, gusto ko ice cream. Ito, kuha na yan. Kuha sa plato. Kuha mo na plato.
Pili ka na, Pili. Anong gusto mo? Get one. Oh, masarap to. Yummy. Oh, ay, sarap. Parang sarap talaga, chewy. And then, ano pa?
Ito yun natin. Ayan, yung ulo.
Okay.
Ito.
Okay. Ay, hindi mo tinikman ko din.
Ayan,
Parang
ayan.
caramel bar ata to. Caramel bar kaya to? Oo, masarap to. Oh, caramel bar. Yummy. Okay. Ayan, dessert na kami. Dessert time.
Ice cream.
Ayan o, masarap to sisig. Ano?
Ayoko yan, huwag mo lalagyan yan. Ice cream.
Ice cream. Favorite ni Vince ice cream.
Ikaw nga kumuha, nahirapan ako.
Cookies and cream. Masarap kasi itong cookies and cream eh. Ang hirap lang nitong scoop niya. Dumi ako. Nahirapan kaming pagkuha ng ice cream, pero ang sarap nitong ice cream.
Sige, pinikil mo. Yeah.
Sige, kumanta muna.
Okay. Hi. Okay naman pala dito eh, kasi yung binabasa ko parang hindi. Okay naman pala. Akala ko ano. Sabi yun.
Hello guys, so ayan, tapos na kami kumain ni Vince and busog na busog kami. Madami ding food. As mentioned kanina, ito yung dating Yaki Mix. So, yun. Pag dinner is 799 and pag lunch is 699. So, ang dami ding varieties of food here. And pipili ka pala kung shabu-shabu or grill. So, ang pinili namin ni Vince for tonight ay grill. So, pwede kang pumili din ng mga i-grill mo. So, yun. Okay, yung food, pack siya sa atin. Masarap yung ano.
Serving marami.
Anong serving marami?
Oh, mag-complete yung serving.
Yan, maraming mga varieties of foods ang pagpipilian dito. So, yun guys. Try it dito sa romantic Korean Buffet.
Okay.
Romantic Korean Buffet. Ayun. So,
Dito lang ito sa BGC.
dito lang sa Global City. Sa ano yan? High Street. So yan, busog na busog kami. And yun nga, ang ano kaibahan lang sa ibang buffet, medyo stricto sila sa time. So, 2 hours lang ang ano mo dito. Stay mo. Which is, yun yung isang parang masasabi natin na not okay compared sa other buffet. Kasi, di ba, the other buffet, you can stay longer than 2 hours.
Pero sa'yo mo okay na rin.
Pero okay na yun kasi tingnan mo, yung 2 hours na yun, busog na busog ka na. Okay, so try guys, try nyo dito sa Romantic Korean Buffet.
Hi.
Bye! Thank you for watching!
Baba na, dito para sa okay,
Busog ka na eh. Busog ka ba, Bill?
So, panalo.